Working on videos with a team and tired of managing feedback in different places. Dropbox Replay is built for reviewing, commenting on, and collaborating around video projects. In this guide, I'll show you the main workflow from uploading a video to collecting feedback. First, sign in to Dropbox and open Replay. You'll see your available projects and video files. If you're new to Replay, start by creating or opening a project where you want to manage your video review. Next, upload the video you want people to review. Depending on your setup, you can add a new video or work with content connected to Dropbox. Give the upload a moment to finish before starting the review. Once the video is ready, open it in Replay. You can play the video directly in the review interface and move through the timeline to inspect specific moments. This makes it easier to discuss an exact part of the edit. To leave feedback, pause the video at the moment you want to discuss and add a comment. You can use comments to point out things like timing, transitions, audio, graphics, or other changes. Time-based feedback is much easier to follow. Next, share the video with your reviewers. Depending on your Replay setup and account permissions, you can invite specific people or share access through an available review link. Make sure the people you invite have the access they need. As feedback comes in, review the comments directly alongside the video timeline. You can work through each point and keep track of requested changes. If you're collaborating with an editor or client, this keeps the conversation connected to the actual video. After making changes to the project, upload or update the appropriate version and continue the review process. Keeping versions organized helps everyone know which video they're reviewing. So use clear names whenever possible, and that's the basic Dropbox Replay workflow. Upload your video, review the timeline, leave precise comments, invite your team, and manage feedback in one place. If you work with video regularly, Replay can make the review process a lot more organized.